Not. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? You see that? Say it for me.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not? This?
3 odd.
3 odd. How do we write this one?
No.
3 odd. Nice? Nice. Again. So we get into bigger. As we get in, it gets bigger. And then after all that, which I don't know why my slide doesn't have it anymore, we get into KC Mills. 5. We get into bigger stuff. I can't take you to a hydro field to find the hydro towers. Those cables are big, and they're not even insulated. If you ever feel like it and you have nothing better to do, you can go to a hydro field, and there are lots of them in Scarborough. A proximity tester. Turn it on and walk into one area. It might actually start blasting.
I look behind.
Try your proximity. Maybe it works. I don't know. Depends on how low they are. If you ever go on a day that it's misty, you can actually see the glow. And you hear the buzzing. Why? I know I'm going to get you guys on this one. Why do ballasts hum? Like the ballast in here? Why do they hum? Because it doesn't know the words. I knew I was going to get you guys. Harmonics. I knew I got you guys all write it out, ready to think. It's like, it's harmonics, but that's something else. That'll be in theory, I think, near the end. You're going to hear the sounds in the hydro fields and all that. Don't climb the hydro poles or whatever, the towers. Not a good idea. What questions do we have? Any questions?
So you get to memorize all that?
Yes. If you don't bring your code book, you're going to have to memorize it.
Oh, okay.
It's in your code book.
No, I'm just saying.
Well, we're going to know. It doesn't matter. If I say I have a 20 American wire gauge and a 6 American wire gauge, which one's bigger? Which has got a bigger diameter?
6.
6.
Oh.
If I, sorry?
No, I just wasn't sure. So once you're going through the gauges down, you hit 0, then you're going to start off with 1 odd, 3 odd, and it keeps counting.
Yeah, down to 4,
Down to 4. Okay.
and then it goes into KC Mills. KC Mills are exactly what they are. The number's bigger, so is the wire. Okay? So once you get into KC Mills, it is that size of wire. I don't think we would have anything in the shop for it. It'd be nice to have illustrated. My union hall, we have a whole display, pretty big cable. We always joke around. If you're doing industrial, commercial stuff, you always want to do the big stuff. For guys, it's just a stupid guy thing. I remember doing a switch gear, and the cable was pretty big, but it's stranded, kind of bigger. The strands are bigger than a 14, but it's and it's hard to bend. So I thought, yeah, okay, and I got to do it. They had it under the floor and into the panel. You got to lay down. You got to go down there and lay down and put it in. Oh, this is going to be great. I get to lay down and do my work.
How do you done that stuff?
How?
Yeah.
Sweat, tears, crying.
Do it,
Especially when you're down there, yeah. They have some benders for it.
Is it a black tube that's about this big?
Oh no, that's something different. That's tech cable.
Yeah.
Oh
That's
God,
a-
we did do tech cable. So we were at College Park, and they brought us the cable is this big, but it
Yeah.
has 3
Yeah,
wires.
yeah, yeah.
So they brought in these rolls that are 6.5 feet in diameter. They brought it flat. The guy dropped it off and we're like, Yeah, and how are we gonna lift that one up? Like, I don't know how many thousands of pounds, because it's solid metal. We had to call him back, he had to pick it up with the thing and bring it back, and then we bring it back. A couple hours later, he came back sitting up, there's no way we can do that. And you think, it's easy, you gotta reel it off, you gotta put on a stand, and you have about 4 of you just trying to get it off and push it through the, whatever you're putting it through, like the ceiling and that. I joke around, we as electricians, we as this electrical, we are the most delicate of all the trades. We are. Electronics, they're still part of us. Everybody else works harder than us, like physically.
So pulling wire is not hard?
No, not compared to what they do. They can always find something harder than us. We are more delicate. We don't like to get dirty, right? We joke around about it. We've been made fun of on a lot of job sites about using hammers. It's like, that's what you have for a hammer? There's some been pretty bad derogatory comments that they have said to us, honestly. But I don't care. It's fine. But we're also one of the better paid ones. The only ones who get paid better than us are the elevator guys. Because they're electricians and they're mechanics. They get dirty. They get really, really dirty. I don't think I could do that. It's a little too much. They've got grease on their hands all day.
I thought plumber was the worst job.
Yeah, it probably is the worst job. But yeah, it's dirty. Yeah, yeah, but they don't have to do the same education as we do. They're like not mocking them, but I get some friends who are plumbers. But that's fine. Have I bored you guys enough already?
I have a question for you. Is it hard to get into IBW?
It's funny. Some of my students got in. It's just whatever they let in that year. Sometimes it's easy.
Because I know there's a lot of testing you have to do, you have to go through the process.
The testing is, so I had to apply as well.
Yeah.
So I went to apply. I did their aptitude test. It was a little bit of mechanical, a little bit of everything, and did really well in it. It wasn't hard. And what did we do? We did an interview, and
a mechanical test or something.
yeah, we did a bunch of stuff. I did well in it. And then they called me and said they wanted to interview me again. And I said, well, you know, we don't usually bring in guys a little bit older, and plus you're an engineer. And they were more worried about me joining. They said, well, no, we would take you, we spent 5 years training you, and then you're just gonna get up and leave. I go, yeah, I could. But how do you know that I don't stay with you guys and make you guys look good? I was a foreman almost right away once I got my license. I said, you are investing in me and I'm investing in you guys. So the guy thought about it, got a call a couple of weeks later, and I was in their safety training. I was the only one that wasn't sponsored. Everybody else had their father or whatever. I was the only one in that group of 20-something, whatever, that I wasn't sponsored. I guess I had a good sales pitch, I suppose, I don't know. He just liked me, maybe didn't like, maybe liked my hair, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, I got in. Is it easy? Some of my students have got in, some of them for no reason. I mean, they're really smart students, just, maybe they're looking for something. Sometimes they're looking for something, and I'm not gonna tell you. I mean, whatever it is. Oh, in our trade, they don't fire you, they just lay you off. They lay you off for whatever reason. They don't have to lay you off for any reason. I'm sorry. They don't like you, they don't like your glasses, they lay you off. You can't confess it, because, oh, we're just shortage of work. 2 or 3 days later, they just hire someone. That's just how this game works. I mean, unfortunately, everybody now knows the law. If you want to fire somebody, it's too high. I got into a bit of not an argument, but with one of my foremen. We were doing a huge pole. We put a couple of pulleys, and I'm looking at it. We had it on a couple of joists. And And I'm looking at it, it's like, God, I don't think that's gonna hold. I go, Bob. And that was like my first year. I go, Bob, do you think that's gonna